I am Kevin Parzych, MD, and I am the Chief Medical Officer as well as Medical Director for Wilshire Health and Community Services. Wilshire Health and Community Services is helping the community in general in numerous ways to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. First and foremost is our concern for not only the safety of our patients, but as well as our staff. So we have worked tirelessly over the past weeks to make sure that we have all of the proper safety equipment for our staff to ensure that when they're going out into the community to service patients and provide support to them, that they are not being put at risk. For the patients, on the flip side, we are also training our staff aggressively to be an intervention as well in the home setting about what are the safety features that people need to follow. So for example, do they need to wear masks or gloves? Do they have access to food and nutrition and the support mechanisms that they need in place? And all of that is sort of happening in real time and evolving on a daily basis. So unfortunately, a lot of the patients that we do take care of do fall into that higher risk strategy. How are we going to protect and service those other people that are at high risk? How do we build mechanisms and support structures in place to take care of the medically frail and elderly in our community that are at risk for major problems from this disease? So at Wilshire, through our home health services, our hospice services, we are already in the homes providing education, providing that clinical support they need, monitoring symptoms on a regular basis, watching out for any potential exposures they may or not have. On top of that, we are doing screening questionnaires on a routine basis with our patients and a lot of times with our staff as well. Do they have a cough, cold? Do they have any symptoms? Are they running a fever? Do they feel short of breath? You know, we're following the CDC state and federal guidelines on what needs to be asked in terms of triaging people and putting them into their risk pools. Wilshire Health and Community Services has been in this community serving it for 20 years. We're very proud of the work we do. We want you to know that just as we have been for all of these years, we are still here for you even during this pandemic with numerous services to support you. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us and see how we can help you.